So hello guys, today I will show you curved navigation bar widget. So how to make use. First of all, open any browser and search pub.dev. In the pub.dev curved navigation bar, first link is open. Click on installing and copy. In the Android Studio, open terminal and paste it here and then enter. The dependency will be added in popspec.yml file, flutter pub.get and then enter. Okay, so create new dot file, name is curved navigation. Create stateless class, name is curved navigation. Return is scaffold. In the app bar, the text, title text is curved navigation bar. Okay, the background color is blue. The style text style color is white. Center title is true. In the main.dart, run this file, curved navigation bar. Click on run button. Sometime the output will be displayed. Okay. In the body part, I'll use text widget. In the text, I'll use set simple body, style, text style. Font size is 18. Font weight W 400. Wrap with the center. In the bottom navigation bar, I'll use a curved navigation bar. Okay. In the icon, I will use home icon. Color is white. Second, I will copy and paste. Second icon is a heart. The heart icon is from Cupertino. So remove and manually heart Cupertino is an import library. Color is white. And third icon, I will use a profile from Cupertino. Color is white and control S. Okay, so restart the application and remove the error. Then remove. I can use a fourth icon, name is setting, color is white. In the Cupertino navigation bar, I'll use only two property. First is a color and second is a background color. So color is blue. Set the color is blue and background color is white and then run it. You can check the beautiful animation navigation bar, beautiful icon will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video.